Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Monday, November 5th. Overnight trade started off a little bit on the defensive, but trying to fight its way back, mainly led by the wheat. Wheat's up around 3 cents, corn up around 1. Beans, however, struggling from their losses, but still down around 5 cents. Meal market back to unchanged, and the soybean oil down around 50 points. Wheat supplies around the world, ideas of them tightening, giving the European markets some new contract highs, and we continue with this scenario of trying to see world prices of corn and wheat start to appreciate so that the U.S. can start to get some business, which hasn't been the case. Like I said, the world wheat price is kind of firming and giving some support to the European markets and helping our wheat market fight its way back. Two important things this week. We'll have the election for the U.S. presidency tomorrow, and then at the end of the week we'll have our supply and demand table coming out from the USDA. Obviously last week's private estimates by traders coming out with a bigger bean crop and corn crop than where the USDA is currently forecasting gave a little bit of lack of buying interest in our markets and seemingly weighed on the soybean market in general. We're also continuing to see where, along with those USDA reports, that the carryout numbers could potentially get a little bit bigger, and in conjunction with no problems in South America as of yet, the buying interest once again is kind of on the sidelines. We saw the commitment of trade report come on out, liquidation in the corn and the wheat. We didn't really see it in the beans, but if you look at the open interest in the beans, the bean open interest has completely been in a free fall, adding to the lack of liquidity in the bean market and perhaps giving some of the weakness that we saw in the bean market on Friday, with just once again that lack of open interest. So the exports out later this morning, around 20 million for wheat and corn. Beans still looking to be strong at 60 plus. Crop conditions out after the close. Winter wheat expected to go down in the good excellent category. And like I said, we'll be working our way for the president elections tomorrow, and more importantly the USDA at the end of the week as far as this week's immediate news. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
And clearly the Fed really wants to be perceived as independent and doing the right thing each month.